In our last video, we have discussed about the second point. Now we're going to learn about the third point, that is road can negotiate higher gradient of slopes and as such can transverse mountains such as Himalayas. So you can make your roads in a high slopes area that is tilted area. Okay, आप इसमें आराम से अपना रास्ता बना सकते हैं. Okay, now coming to the next one, that is the road transport is economically transportation of a few person and relatively smaller amount of goods over a short period of time. So it takes less time to move your goods and services. It will also provide day-to-day services and door-to-door services to any place or any corner of the world. Road transport is also used as a feeder to other mode of transport such as air and seaport. So roadways is important. For example, if you are living in Allahabad and you want to transport your goods from Mumbai area to Iraq. Okay, so you will use your transport of roadways and move and come to Mumbai area, and you through the port area, through the ship, you will transport your. So roadways is the connection between the seaport or your airport. Understood? So in India, roads are classified in a six classes. Okay, in a six category based on their capacity. You will look to the map of India, you will find the national highways, and you also note down the importance these roads play, okay, while we are discussing. All right, so we are discussing one of the most important highways, that is golden quadrilateral super highways. Quadrilateral, you know, the four line segment or closed figure, this is known as quadrilateral super highway because it's very important and it's a fast route. So we're going to learn it. So the government has launched a major road development project linking Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai. So Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, okay, Chennai and Mumbai. So this yellow line, if you see, is a golden quadrilateral. Okay, it is connecting. So you can see here that Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai. So Delhi is connected by a 6-lane super highways from north to south corridor. The Sri Lanka is connected to Kanyakumari, which is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, again we are moving to the, so this is the Sri Lanka and here is your Kanyakumari. Can you see here? Okay, so this is your north south corridor. There is also east west corridor connecting Silchar and Porbandar. Silchar is in Assam, which is in east, yes, east side, and Porbandar is in west side in Gujarat. Okay, so this is the part of this project. The major objectives of constructing this highway is to reduce the time and the distance so that we can connect easily to the mega cities. Mega cities are again these. All right. So these projects are constructed and implemented by NHAI, which is also full form is National Highway Authority of India, which is regulated by the government. Understood? You should remember the name of the authority. Now we are going to discuss the second category, that is the national highways. National highways are the extreme part of our connectory roadways that help the country to be connected with a link, which is national highways. These are a primary road system and are laid and maintained by the CPWD, Central Public Works Department. A number of major national highways run in north and south direction and also east to west direction. If you look in the history, we will find a Sher Shah Suri mark which is constructed at the past time. in the Mughals time. Now its name has been changed and the name is National Highway number 1, which run from Delhi to Amritsar, which run from Delhi to Amritsar, okay, in the Punjab area. Okay, this is the National Highway 1. It is asked that you will find National Highway 2 and 3, okay, and the places which is linked to it. We also have a expressway, Ahmedabad Vadodara Express. This is the ओके ऐसे ही होते हैं हाईवे आपके उत्तर प्रदेश में भी बहुत सारे हैं और आपके प्रॉपर डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में भी आपके हाईवेज आपको दिखते हैं. डू यू नो दिस नेशनल हाईवे 7 इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट एंड इट्स distance is about 2369, which is from वाराणसी टू कन्याकुमारी. वाया मीन्स ये जोड़ते हुए आती हैं जबलपुर, नागपुर, हैदराबाद, बेंगलुरु एंड मदुरई, दिल्ली. दिल्ली एंड मुंबई आर कनेक्टेड बाय द नेशनल हाईवे 8. तो दिल्ली और मुंबई कनेक्टेड है विद द हाईवे नंबर 8. और नेशनल हाईवे 15 इज़ मोस्ट कवर्ड इन द राजस्थान एरिया. State highway is the third category when we learn about the roadways in India. In the state highways, the roads linked state capitals with a different district headquarters are known as the state highway. When the roadways are connected with the state highways, okay, which is also connected to the district headquarters, is known as the state highways. अभी हमने आपको कहा कि नेशनल हाईवे भी आपके स्टेट से होते हुए गुजरते हैं. दैट सिंपली मीन्स दैट दीज स्टेट हाईवेज आर द लिंक with the national highways. These roads are constructed and maintained by the state authority, which is also known as State Public Work Department in the state and the union territories. Your 8 union territories and your 28 states. Also, we have a district roads. These roads connects the district headquarters with other places of the district. These roads are maintained by the Zilla Parishad. Again, it's important and it's simple to understand this. Now, the other roads. The rural roads which link to rural area, village with the town are classified and in this category. The road receive special impetus under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. Under this scheme, special provisions are made so that every village in the country linked to a major town in the country by an all-season motorable road. So, according to this particular Yojana, some rural roads are come under this. Construction is given in this. Okay, this is the work of the government to maintain and to connect these road with the district road, then to state road, and then your highways, and then it is to connected with super highways. I hope this is understood by you. Now coming to the next type of road, that is a border roads. Apart from these, so border roads is a part of again the roadways. It started in 1960 to develop the road in the strategic areas, especially in the northern and the northeastern border area, so that we can provide the facilities and equipments and armed force is easily accessible to these area. Okay, and this is constructed and maintained by which authority? Border Road Organization. A government of India undertake these construction work. All right, it help in the economic development of these area. So you can see how the hilly tracts were used and it is maintained. All right, and when this situation occur, again the border road organization of government look after these road. It they clean it for the transportation of the arms and ammunition or the cavalry to the hilly top areas. So this is all work that is done. So apart from these classification of roads, we have two more classification of road based on the material used for their construction. One is your metal road and second is your unmetal road. In metal road we use cement, concrete and bituminous of a coal जिसको आप tar भी कहते हैं, and to that road is survived to all weather type of season. In unmetal road, it goes off while the rainy season arrived. Okay, so you are familiar with both type of road.